Him on behalf of the Islamic Education Trust Board of Trustees and the entire management, I want to congratulate all Muslims for having come through the month of Ramadan, and specifically appreciate those who Allah has enriched with the wealth with which they supported us and granted us some money to make many families smile during iftar time and family feedings. Congratulations, may Allah accept it from all of us. It's an act of ibadah, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you and bless everybody, inshallah, and make it easy for us to continue and sustain the temple throughout the year, inshallah. Barakallah fikum, baraka da sallah.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We wish to thank all our supporters, those who assist Islamic Education Trust in organizing and executing our programs and activities over the year. We want to use the opportunity of this Ramadan coming to an end to express our appreciation to you for being part of our success and for always standing by us, rendering your own support and assistance to ensure the success of our project and activities. May Allah continue to be with you. We want to assure you that in our regular prayers, we will continue to remember you and your family and to pray for your success in life, and may Allah reward you in the best manner in this world and in hereafter. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
On behalf of Islamic Education Trust Welfare Department, we wish to express our profound gratitude to our donors and partners who have played a significant role in the success of our programs in Ramadan, which include Ramadan Food Eid, Salah Party, and others. We wish to say Jazakumullahu khairan, because with your support we have been able to support over 750 families with food packs. Smiles of joy and happiness were all over their faces. May Allah put it all in your scale of good deeds. Eid Mubarak. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. It's my pleasure to say Alhamdulillah that we have successfully come to the end of the month of Ramadan. Our prayer now is that the ibadah that we did during this month, that Allah will accept it from each and every one of us. And as we prepare for it, I want this opportunity to thank all our supporters and the donors for both New Horizons College as well as Islamic Education Trust for believing in us and partnering with us to achieve many purposes. May Allah bless you and reward you in the best of manner. May all your ibadah and your du'as during this month that has just been completed be accepted by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. May Allah give you the best of this world and the best in the hereafter. I wish you Eid Mubarak. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. As the blessed month of Ramadan concludes, we from the Dawah Institute Islamic Education Trust extend our heartfelt gratitude to our partners, collaborators, and donors for your invaluable support through time, talent, treasure, or talk. Together, we've touched lives, fostered growth, and spread the light of compassion and understanding. Together, we've embraced the spirit of Ramadan through fasting, prayer, acts of charity, making a significant impact in our communities. As we welcome Eid al-Fitr, let's carry the lessons of Ramadan forward. Let's continue to share our blessings and support each other. May Allah Ta'ala accept our fast and deeds, forgive our shortcomings, and guide us towards continued success and unity. Eid al-Fitr al-Mubarak. We wish you a celebration filled with joy, peace, and togetherness. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.